In this video, I'm going to show you two different examples of subtracting mixed numbers with renaming. In the first example, we're going to take the whole number 8 and subtract 2 1/4 from it. First, we're going to record the numbers on the left side of the slide. In this example, the number 8 does not have a fraction that we can subtract by 1/4, so we have to rename the 8 wholes so that we can have a fraction. To do this, we're going to borrow 1 whole from the 8, which leaves us with 7 wholes, and we're going to turn that 1 whole into a fraction. Because the fraction in 2 1/4 is out of fourths, we're going to make our fraction 4/4, which is the same as 1 whole. So 8 is now written as 7 4/4. Next, subtract the fractions, so 4/4 minus 1/4 is 3/4, and then subtract the whole numbers. 7 minus 2 is 5. Our final answer is 5 3/4. In the second example, we're going to subtract 5 1/6 by 3 4/9. Record the mixed numbers on the left side of the slide and check to see if they have the same denominator. In this example, our mixed numbers have different denominators, so we have to find a common denominator. To do this, we have to find the least common multiple of the denominators, 6 and 9. Their least common multiple is 18, so we're going to rewrite the mixed numbers with a common denominator of 18. Now we have to convert 1/6 into 18ths. To do this, we're going to look at the denominator 6. 6 needs to be multiplied by 3 to get the common denominator of 18. Because we multiply the denominator by 3, we also multiply the numerator by 3. When we do this, we get an equivalent fraction of 3/18. Next, we have to convert the fraction 4/9. The denominator 9 has to be multiplied by 2 to get the common denominator of 18. So we also have to multiply the numerator 4 by 2. When we do this, we get an equivalent fraction of 8/18. Next, we have to subtract the fractions, but we can't do this because 3/18 is less than 8/18. In order to get a greater fraction for 3/18, we have to borrow a whole from the 5 wholes in 5 3/18. We're going to drag a line to cross out the 5, which is now worth 4 wholes, and we're going to take that 1 whole and add it to our fraction. In order to do this, we need to turn that 1 whole into a fraction itself. Because our fractions are out of 18ths, 1 whole is the same thing as 18/18. We'll add this to the 3/18 that we already have for a new fraction of 21/18. So 5 3/18 is now rewritten as 4 21/18. Now we're going to subtract the fractions, so 21/18 minus 8/18 is 13/18, and then we subtract the whole numbers. Because the fraction 13/18 cannot be reduced, our final answer is 1 13/18.